Good morning, you guys. I slept really well last night and didn't finish my laundry, but that's okay because I needed the sleep. And oh, it's so heavy. I'm feeling much better this morning. Oh, those windows are heavy. Anyways, I am going to make some coffee, get the day started, get some water. A lot of people ask what this is. It's a Berkey. It's a filter system. Honolulu, all of Hawaii, does desalination for our water. So that's what that is. It's not a still. I've had people ask if it's a still. No, I'm not making my own moonshine or anything like that. It's just water. And it has black filters and white filters. The black filters sit in the top and the white filters sit in the bottom, and as the filters filter the top water into the bottom, it goes through the black one into the white one and then down into the bottom of the container, and it's the best water. In fact, you could actually fill that container, the top part, with mud, and you would get fresh water out of the bottom. That's how good it is. So anywho's gonna drink a big thing of water, which I always spill down myself. I firmly believe that I have a hole in my lip because I always spill, always, can't help myself. And make a coffee. Oh my gosh, we're doing it. It's the 21st. Oh, don't fall, don't fall. 21. Oh God. Is anybody else shocked that today's the 21st? Besides me. Ooh. The Beauty Crop Stuck on You Eye Primer enriched with coconut and pomegranate seed oil. It comes in a cute box too. I already am like itching to smell this. I smell everything. I'm such a freak. Oh goodness. There isn't a dot. Oh. It smells disgusting, probably like any other eye primer would. And yet I was so excited to smell it. I'm like, I've got to get it open. It'll be interesting to see how it works. There we go. It kind of reminds me in a way of the MAC Painterly pot. Being able to like get your primer out like that rather than a tube. Like the, oh gosh, Anastasia Beverly Hills, Urban Decay, all of that. Let's see what this one is. It is Santa Bubble Bar. So excited. So excited for that. Love a good bubble bar. Actually, I'm gonna say it. I was disappointed with the Lush one because it was only 12 days. But I'm genuinely enjoying it, if I'm honest. Genuinely enjoying it. So probably gonna end up getting it next year as well. All right. I actually don't know what I'm doing today. I should probably be cleaning, but I also need to do my last work day of like real work. So probably gonna get on that and do the cleaning tomorrow. I wanted to let you guys know in this vlog, so you guys have plenty of time to get prepared, on, I almost said January, on December 31st, I am going to be hosting a live vision board, like building together group event on my YouTube channel. And so you may want to have like your poster board, magazines, your goals figured out, all of that stuff, so that you can do it. You can also do it digitally. I'm going to show how to do it digitally. Music's getting kind of loud. I'm going to be showing how to do it digitally on my live, which I actually love having a digital one. But I wanted to do this because I think it's such a fun idea. And I don't go out New Year's Eve. I always stay home with Louis, although fireworks don't bother him, but they do get pretty crazy around here. So I've always just stayed home, and I enjoy it. And I enjoy like focusing on my goals and figuring out like what I want to do in the next year and things like that. And so here's what's gonna happen. I am currently making up some goal sheets that I will put into a vlog after Christmas. It might even be available Christmas Day. I'm currently working on them now, so I'm not sure when they'll be 100% ready. It'll be a free download, and you guys will be able to figure out what your goals are for 2021, and then during the live vision board building video live, I'm not sure what I'm calling this, you guys will have that paper there with all your goals, and it'll be easy to like know what your plans are. So I love doing a good vision board sesh, and I wanted to do it with you guys. I wish I had actually started this back in 2012 or 2011 when I started my YouTube channel, because I just feel like it's such a cool way to come together as a community. So I will be doing it. Somebody's using spray paint. I will be hosting it December 31st, 2020, and I'm so excited for that. It's not sponsored by anybody or anything like that. It's just something we are doing all together, especially this year because I know nobody's got plans for New Year's Eve, so y'all better be there.